Today we are going to go check out the waterfall near our hotel room. So now we are heading out. Look at this wonderful view around me. This is the way out. As you can see, there are beautiful flowers. And this is the way out. Okay, so let's continue. I guess how much time it takes for this. Hi. This is an avocado tree. So we need to go here. Now we have finally reached the waterfall. As you can see, it's really beautiful. I had to climb all the way up to go home. Now we are still on the way. So, it's actually the same way we came. In the same way we will be going back. You know, this water is from the waterfall, so we can still see the water. An orange tree. There is green pepper. So this is green pepper, and when it gets ripe, it becomes black pepper. Well, this wasn't a long way, but we still had obstacles. Now we gotta go through the grass. What is I do now? Chalo hato. Here. Now I jump. Now I still wait. I came out of the jungle. Hi. Did you like to go through the forest?
Yes.
Me too. But did you like the obstacles?
Maybe not.
They were hard to climb. Now we just need to walk a little bit and we'll be at home. Really nice. Did you get bit by any ants? Red or black?
Red and
Oh
small
my.
red and
Okay. I think everyone's sweating here now. Do you like the forest or are you scared of the forest? I'm a little bit.
muddy side.
I'm scared of the snails. I saw 3 of them on the way. There is no need to rush. We'll go slowly towards the waterfall, but when we are coming back, we need to climb up, and that's hard for me. And also, I slipped my dad yesterday. I was at the Nisargadhama, Golden Temple, coffee plantation, and what was the other one? Yeah, Dubare Elephant Camps. I think Dubare Elephant Camps was the best one. We were walking on water. So if you want to check out that video, subscribe. You'll be able to find it on my channel. Why are you so slow? I'm coming. Okay. Actually, there's only. Now we are entering. This is like the small parking place. So I'll be giving you a small tour on the way. So let me first rest and I'll be back. I'll show you my place. I would like to know where you are in your summer vacations. So in the comment section let me know. And if anyone is in Coorg, then I'll be the most excited. One day I was having dinner here and 2 cats appeared in front of my legs over there. So but they went away. So like my mom is still on the way. I think my dad went to pay the ride. With the dining area, right, to show you the tree that goes from the terrace, and it's really giant. It's a really good view here, so let's see what's up there. It's really cool the way it is. What you doing? Go around the forest and there's a swing, but first we'll check out. Let's try to climb now. Oh my god. There was a branch which is broken, so I couldn't actually climb there. Let's go up and try out that swing. Okay? It's really cute. Oh my, what is that over there?